Hey guys, it's Erica here. So today this video is about fear. So before I got started with online marketing, I was very unsure of which route to go as far as what organization to join, because a lot of times, a lot of things out here, can be scams and you're just not sure. So it just puts a lot of fear of, where exactly should you invest money in and just what avenue to take. But going MCA was the best thing that I've ever done, and like I had mentioned several times before, through the Wi-Fi wealth system, is just so great, because it really gives you the tools and the training that you need to just really succeed in this business. But just as far as fear is concerned, you should be skeptical, about different things. I'm not saying, just go with everything and just, and do, whatever. But definitely do your research. If you're having, doubts about certain organizations like MCA, if you're considering joining it, call customer service. You can go right on their website. I'll put their number down below, but you can ask them different questions, and just find out information for yourself. Ask, definitely, because there are a lot of things out here that are untrue. But I do want to just let you know, the only way to conquer fear is to do it. It's just to step out and do it, plain and simple. Because if you're not willing to try new things, then, you're not really going to get far in this life, because there's constantly different things, being invented, and just all kinds of opportunities. And yesterday, we actually had a Facebook Live event with the group that I'm on, the Wi-Fi Wealth Babes, and one of my mentors, he went to a conference specifically for online marketers, and he met with a marketer that has been doing this for like 15 years, and he makes about $200 million per year. Yes, I said $200 million per year with online marketing. So it's definitely something real. The internet, is not just for Facebook posts and tweeting and online shopping. It's a whole world of just opportunity. So, I just want to prompt you, if you're afraid to get started, you're not sure what to turn, definitely do your research. No doubt about that, because I had to research to make sure that everything was on the up and up too. So don't just go along with what everybody says. But, once you do your research, and if this is an opportunity that you want to join, find me on Facebook so we can just get you plugged in to the different groups. The Wi-Fi Wealth Babes is just for women. I'm sorry, guys. But you can get training, both for the Wi-Fi Wealth system is for both men and women. So you can get all the free training and tools that's available there. But it's just really an awesome opportunity if you're looking to make money online, if you're looking to really expand things. There are several people each and every day, thousands of people even every day, able to fire their boss. They're able to spend more time with their family. They're able to buy that dream car or house because of online marketing, because of this opportunity. So, I definitely just want to just prompt you on just to do your research and, go ahead and make your decision and get started today. If this is something that you decide to do, even if you are still working, that's fine. Perfect, because it's an opportunity to build up to where you need to be, where you can fire your boss. I'm not saying you're going to get rich overnight, because you're not. But it is an opportunity where you can fire your boss, where you can have the financial freedom and the flexibility that you need. If you want to continue working your 9-to-5 job, want to continue to be in that rat race, that is fine. But I'm telling you, this is just such an amazing opportunity. And you don't want to get left behind, because more and more people are joining each day. So, you know, definitely, like I said, do your research. Just jump right in. If you are afraid after you have done your research, find me on Facebook. Go ahead, click the link below to get signed up, and, you know, just get rolling. All right, so just be encouraged, and make every day your best day, no matter what you do. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.